not even moving, huh?
Yeah, it's weird.
Maybe there's something in the sky. We've had a lot of weird stuff around.
Oh shit. Oh, the frickin' jets.
They're not even moving, Julie.
Wow, and
It's
the other one
trailing
just
underneath
went,
it.
it just went into the other thrust.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Are we really witnessing this?
I don't know what's going on.
It's actually kind of scary. It's staying in its drift.
Oh, it's moving. I can see the trail.
But I'm saying it's staying in the smoke. It's right in the middle. It's like a smaller one being pulled or something. Julie, are we really seeing this? You're kidding. Is yours getting a good review?
Oh, and there's another one coming in from the left. Oh no, that was a reflection on your window. Holy shit. Yeah, that other jet is right in.
It's right in the center.